Normalizing is a fundamental heat treatment process for steel materials. It involves heating above the critical temperature and then air cooling, mainly used to adjust the microstructure and improve performance. The functions of normalizing are as follows: refining grains and homogenizing the structure, enhancing mechanical properties, eliminating internal stresses, improving machinability, replacing annealing. Precautions: avoid overheating, coarse grain formation, or insufficient heating. Oxidation and decarburization. Avoid stacking to ensure uniform heating and cooling. Material differences, coordination with subsequent processes. Shot blasting is a process that uses high-speed ejection of metal shot, such as steel shot, cast steel shot, stainless steel shot, etc., to impact the surface of workpieces for cleaning, strengthening, or altering the surface condition. It is a key process for improving the surface quality and performance of workpieces. Parameters need to be precisely controlled based on material properties, processing goals, and environmental protection requirements. At the same time, equipment maintenance and operation safety should be emphasized. Reasonable application can significantly extend the service life of workpieces and reduce subsequent processing costs. The functions of shot blasting include surface cleaning, surface strengthening, improving surface roughness, deburring and edge rounding. Shot blasting is more environmentally friendly and efficient, and is suitable for mass production. Precautions: workpiece protection, material adaptability, dust and environmental protection, safety protection, process connection.